guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. We are starting another video. We got Foxy here. We're on the wake. What?
Shut up for a second. He just did another burnout in this thing. Smoking oil. Neighbors gave a thumbs up. And we didn't get it on video. He's going to need tires here soon. But okay, end rant.
Okay, now that we've ended the rant, we are on the way to Jake's birthday party. His father's having a little birthday party for him and everything like that. So, plus two, I kind of want to update you guys. As you can see, I'm driving a Mustang right now, which you've seen in the videos in the background a bunch. I actually bought this from my dad, so that's why I've been driving this around. It's going to kind of become my daily, just because it's not really modded or anything like that. And whatever Fox says, this Mustang is good, okay? It's good. It's got low miles on it, and it's clean, so I'm happy with it. It makes a lot of good noises for your earbuds. Do you have something to say?
Oh no, I was just it's a Mustang. It's a Mustang. That's all.
Don't mind him. But you'll see a little bit, of some modification that we do to this. So not too big right now, but later on. So I'll probably swap in a Honda motor in it or something like that.
There you go. Now we're thinking.
Yeah, I'm not that gay. So once we get to Jake's house, we'll hit back up with you and stuff like that. So we're meeting up with everybody else to cruise on down there. So.
Oh, this looks fun. Come on, Kelly. Give that thing body roll. Come on. Yeah, look at that lean. Woo! This thing's got a lot of body roll.
At Jake's house. We make YouTube videos, by the way, Jake's den. So you don't want to see what we make. Is it bad?
No.
Okay. Anyway, Allie had to go home. Jake spilled pop on her, but it's his birthday party. Want to say happy birthday to him? Everybody say happy birthday to him.
Follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, he's Pumpkin Man 321. But yeah, we're here. We'll have a great time.
Yeah.
So
no, actually, one's better than the other.
let's see your basketball skill, buddy.
It's shot. Actually, I was better than the first one.
Kelly, that is really terrible. I'm sorry.
Hey, I said that.
Tyler, that's not much better at all.
No, it's not.
Here, Kelly, pass me that.
Yeah, let's see the one-handed then. Ooh.
Alright.
Oh, no, it's not.
I got a bad grip on that one.
That was awesome.
Just having some fun hanging out at Jake's house. Let's see Tyler's little try-hard self. Oh. Okay. And he missed.
Camera's on, man.
Come on, Tyler. Come on. You got this, buddy.
Open rain.
Bleh. Tyler. Oh my gosh, dude.
I lost my touch.
Look, guys. Justin finally made it.
So,
No, Justin. Woo! Justin's shown his mad pong skills. Tyler with his mad b-ball skills. Napoleon Dynamite had some pretty cool skills too.
Oh.
Birthday boy.
as of yesterday.
We're gonna sing him happy birthday on
Please
this
don't.
one.
Happy birthday to
This is the final match versus Mr. Prelude and Mr. Tibby for the Pong Championship at Jake's house. So, come on guys, let's get it on!
Oh, stop me, let's go, jeez.
Ooh, Foxy's getting mad. Ooh. Fox, you're like throwing this away, buddy.
Shut up, Lane. I'm stuck, man. I can't really move.
What are you guys playing to? 5?
21.
Oh.
What is it?
And I know you guys can't hear that, but that's Tyler bang shifting first to second, just leaving the driveway. I might have to cut that out.
2-2.
2-2? Justin, would you wear a 2-2?
I would.
I knew it.
Oh, really? I think the viewers might want to see that.
Justin.
Shall we make that a video?
Yes, sir, we should.
Ah! 3-3. Ah! Ah! Too low.
Oh, you gotta love my serve.
Oh, no. What's scoring now?
5-3.
Five all. Oh, I saved it. What the hell? I saved
You
it.
double hit it.
Oh, you can't do that?
Alright guys, because this is going to go on for a good long time, we'll just save you the despair, and I'll tell you who wins at the end.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good time.
What's going on?
Us, bro.
Bruh.
Alright guys, just sitting by the campfire. Well, they can see the fire, that's good enough.
That's all that matters.
Jake's dad's getting this fire all set for us to stay warm because it's like ridiculously cold for this time of year. But hope everybody, all you guys enjoy the rest of your night. We'll see you tomorrow on this part of the video. So, Ali says, peace out.
What up?
Kelly
And
says,
I'm out.
alright, you guys have a good night. Okay, here's a quick update, guys. Sorry, I told you that was going to be in, but Fox lost 11 games.
Oh my
in a row.
gosh.
To Justin. 11.
1-1. 11 games in a row. I am
11
the
1.
king.
So I forgot to update you because they were still playing and I was done. So that was about all.